What's up guys, welcome to the channel. We're day back today for our next video. Somebody title don't know what the video all about today, you see me? Yeah. I'm gonna show you how we make the calabash plate them, you see me? Or the goody plate them today in the video. Yeah. I already get them already last night, right? And I already mark a line round them, try to find half and mark a line. So I'm gonna show you that shortly. But before I show you all that, I want to leave a like on the video. I want to comment below and tell me one thing about these goody plates. I wanted some bigger goody, make some bigger plate, but them here, how I get, you see me, so we just be grateful for me get same way, you see me. I want to share the video, let the channel grow, by the share it out. Easy. It takes just a couple seconds to just share it out, right? Share it to your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok. Just share the video, man. And subscribe if you're new. For the IG, Jeb876 and Ansel Adventures. Link below. So just scroll down, click the link, go over there and give me a follow. Because I always say, before the video post on YouTube, a snippet I always post on IG. So who from on IG can see what I got before it actually posts on YouTube, you see me? So just click the link, go over there and give me a follow. So I'll jump right in the video now. Alright guys, see the gold here, down here, Japan burst, when I pick them, yeah, I use the piece of old saw here, cut them, I'm not using electrical saw, cut them, so we can get one of this, the section here, it's crack, but we can get one out of this, see my mark, the lines then go around. I'm going to line go around the half line, use it as a reference. See? Yeah. Start tying over cut. Start with the one here first, like you already burst up. Pull it just like that. So give me a warm time $3. You can also hear and feel it go there crack. You know, you put pumpkin and the pumpkin well fit. But when you look at the night, it does crack. Alright, so this inside guys smell real bad. It's funny smell and I don't really like smelling, so yeah. So I'm gonna get a spoon now and clean it inside, but I'm soon show you that. I have cut up the two, them two here. Yeah, I have cut the next two and them clean. But one of them is a crack. On which side? One of them is a crack. I soon look for that. When I'm done cut the next two, I'm gonna check him up for my clean guys, so I'm soon come back. Let's go right through. Right through, non-stop. And then tired. Because I saw a dull. Alright, see here now. So a cleaning time now, guys. Alright guys, so put this over here and start. This guys can actually consume, but I don't know how to prepare it and I don't really know what it good for, but I think it good, right? Anytime you get somebody who know how to prepare it and know what it good for, just bring it to my channel and make them prepare it and explain how I go on, see me? See? Come out nice and easy, this food. So guys, when we're doing clean this and everything else, my link in the back. So soon come back. So this one almost finished.
Yeah.
And some little sister help.
It's hard. A little. Oh, it's hard. I understand my life.
Alright guys, so see. 2, 4, 6. 6 of them, right? So what I'm gonna do, I put them to dry now. No, first I wash them off, put them to dry, and then when they dry now, I use some paper, rub the edges them, rub inside there, make inside get smooth up and all that. Alright guys, so all who don't know cashew and how it beer and all that, this I will show you how it beer and all that, right? You see? So the green part, water and yellow now, are food part, and see nut on the bottom. So all who don't know cashew, we know now. And make very nice juice, wine, jam and all that. And when the cashew time, because tree just start beer, so me have enough now. I'm showing you different ways how you can prepare the juice. You see me? Yeah man. Some people gonna blend it and put milk. No, you can spice up it. I'm not showing all that. And again guys, this is the continuation for the Calabash plate video. Right? But before we go on that, I don't know say I'm on, you know, and in the morning go with breakfast. And I put something on the belly first before I start on that. Yeah man. So I'm gonna do a scrambled egg and Callaloo mix. Me personally never heard about this before, you know. The idea came to mind a few years ago. I tried, but I never vlog it and I actually like it. So I'm gonna do it now and vlog it showing so anybody can see it and like the idea and try it. Yeah? So I'm gonna take on step by step along the journey and show them how I do it. Everything, you see me? Alright guys, so some 2 eggs here and some Callaloo here, but you don't know me know some Callaloo. Maybe we want a star or 2. Yeah, so take out 2 stars, cut it up, and then the prepping and then link on the back. Alright guys, so I Callaloo this and when I cut the Callaloo, cut it as fine as possible, right? And one put this now, put the oil night, put the season night, salt, scallion and sweet pepper, you see me? When you can put onion, don't put tomato, when you can put onion, garlic, tomato and them things. If you know one, but show me to let them thing there, I'm gonna put it tonight. You see me? And the last time I make it, I mix the egg and the sardine and throw in the pot. You see me? But first, 2 minutes that's a different way. I put on the Callaloo for about a minute or 2. You go and steam. When you're halfway there, then I throw in the egg in it. You see me? So I make it a different way today. How I do it what day, just make everything in one and scramble. It never bad, you know. It never bad. The Callaloo they cook, but I try a different way now. You see me? Yeah. And only don't know the Callaloo one thing when I want to over steam, because people over steam it look black. No. when you steam so long, you have to cook out the nutrients out tight, you see me? Yeah man. So my throw answer now. And see egg here now. You know, you can start again and season. Yeah man, start telling me to throw this in the pot. So look here now. For egg time. So that is it. I'll go and stir stick knife pot, see me? So I got new guys, quick and easy. This not no time. This now you can even eat with bread. Yeah man. So my children will say bread now and some juice. Like some orange juice because I am not really a tea person unless a coffee or original chocolate tea. You see me? Yeah, not really a tea person guys. You know? Yeah. So my shell on this now and do what I have to do. Some people say, oh, where me get the style of cooking here from, but I just love experiment with food. So I love try different food together and see how well it go together. You can even eat the rice because egg and rice can eat together, you know, and callaloo and rice can go together. So me this eat the rice. Alright guys, same everything here. I'm gonna do it now. So I'm just start rub that one here. So I'm gonna finish up this and continue and show you when I finish. Rub. Go inside smooth and nice, you know? So guys, to finish up everything now, guys, inside smooth and nice, you know, smooth and nice, inside smooth and nice, and edge then smooth now, you see me? Yeah. So this is it guys. Okay. Yeah. Some people Calabash plate inside white and pretty. I don't know how they get it so white and pretty. You see me? But yeah, if you make it this far, thanks for watching the video, see me? I really appreciate it.
Bye.
See you now.
Bye. Thanks for watching the channel.